Hey everyone! Awesome Disney Toys here, and today we're bringing you Just Like Home Vegetable Crate. I know you guys can see some of the pieces, but we have over 10 pieces to play with today. With this set, we'll be able to find everything we need for some freshly picked fun. I can't wait to slice and play with these vegetables. Alright, let's check this out. Let me peel off this wrapper first. Remove this. No, there's even a plastic cover. These vegetables come super secure. And if I pull this out, they're all nicely packaged like this. And if you guys didn't notice, we even get this crate. This set's pretty cool. I think I'll start by slicing some carrots. Carrots are good for your eyes, so you should eat a lot of it. Okay, let me grab my play knife and just slice it right down the middle here. Once you cut through the Velcro, it'll split in half. Nice! We chopped our first vegetable. I'll go with this potato now. I sliced some carrots and now some potatoes. I feel like I'm making some stew for dinner. Up next is this pickle. This one looks like it's barely hanging on. I'll just slice that. Do you guys like to put pickles in your hamburger? Here's a yellow onion. Things might get a little teary. Don't say I didn't warn you. Ugh, my eyes are starting to burn. Here's a very dark green broccoli. I'll chop this up. Maybe I'll use this for my salad today. Here's a cream-colored mushroom. Mushrooms are actually one of my favorites. Whenever I eat steak, I gotta have some grilled mushrooms. Do you guys know what this is? This is an eggplant. I used to think this was disgusting, but I gave it another chance, and it's pretty good. So you guys should give this a shot if you never tried it before. Yum! We get some corn! Let's see, what should I do with this corn? You guys have any ideas? Uh-oh, we got a red onion this time. Just when I thought my eyes were getting better. Yeah, the tears are rolling down again. Even though these things make me cry, I love onions. Here's a beautiful red tomato. Slice this up. I might throw this in the salad too. Well, we just saw all the vegetables. Let's recap each one while I put it back into this crate. That's a tomato. Here's a yellow onion. An eggplant. Broccoli. A red onion. A pickle. Potato. Corn, a carrot, a mushroom, and our play knife. Woo! That's a lot of vegetables. I gotta get started on making my meal. See you guys later. Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon. Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are in the description box below.